ये जो इंडिया है ना, does it belong only to Kajal Hindustani or does Munawar Farooqi also have a voice here? This is Kajal Ben Shingala, who also calls herself Kajal Hindustani. Hate speech is her calling card. Hate speech at public gatherings, hate speech on social media, hate speech that has earned her close to 80,000 followers on Twitter, including the Prime Minister. Her most recent viral hate speech was a call to demolish two mosques in the town of Morbi in Gujarat, which she insisted were illegal.
જેટલા બેઠા છે ઊભા થઈને કયો કે તમે આ લડાઈમાં ઇલીગલ એન્ક્રોચમેન્ટ જે કર્યા છે આપણા મની મંદિરમાં એને આપણા દરબારગઢ પેલેસમાં એમાં કોણ સાથે છે અમારે ઊભા થઈને કયો જે બેઠા હશે ને ઈ નમાલા હશે કાલથી આ અભિયાન ચાલુ થઈ જાવો જોઈએ એને જ્યાર સુધી આ બેય મસ્જિદો તોડાય નહીં ને ઇલીગલ ત્યાં સુધી કોઈ શાંતિથી જમતા નહીં એને એમાં આખી સ્ટ્રેટેજી બનાવો હું સ્ટ્રેટેજી બનાવીશ હું લીડ કરીશ મને તમારો સાથ જોઈએ છે.
Of course, Kajal Ben's allegation is untrue. Morbi's district collector JB Patel has said on record that the Hazrat Ali Pir Shah Dargah that Kajal calls an illegal encroachment is in fact a very old dargah and not at all illegal. But as we know, hate mongers no longer allow things like the truth to bother them. And so Kajal Hindustani announced in public that she would organize the bulldozers to demolish the dargah.
એને જો ઇલીગલ છે ને તો લીગલ રીતે તોડાવવાની શું જરૂરત છે કોઈમાં તેવડ છે બુલડોઝર ફેરવવાની હાલો બુલડોઝર હું લાવીશ એના પૈસા હું આપીશ મારી સાથે ભીડ ઊભી રહેશે અહીંયા મોરબીના નાગરિકોની બુલડોઝર તોડાવવા માટે ક્યારે કરવું છે
A direct threat to demolish a religious structure on video in public, spelling out a clear plan to disrupt law and order and communal harmony. What more does the police need to take Kajal Shingala into custody, to file an FIR, prosecute her? It's all there. But has anything been done? No. Will anything be done? Not likely, because ye jo India hai na, yahan Kajal Hindustani gets away with hate speech day after day. And then there is Munawar Farooqi, the stand-up comedian who spent over 1 month in jail in January and February 2021. Why? Because someone accused him of planning to make jokes about Hindu gods at a performance in Indore. Members of a Hindu vigilante group led by the son of a BJP MLA assaulted Farooqi before his show and took him to a police station, claiming they had heard him rehearse jokes about Indian gods, of which they had zero evidence, not audio nor video. And the police, the same police governed by the same Indian Penal Code, that did nothing to Kajal Hindustani despite having her hate speech on video, threw Munawar Farooqi and 5 of his colleagues into jail with no evidence. Not only this, Indore Superintendent of Police even justified Farooqi's arrest, saying that he was planning to insult Hindu gods, meaning they arrested him for a future crime. ये जो इंडिया है ना, यहाँ सावधान रहो, you could be arrested for a future crime without evidence. If some gunda say, sir, ये crime करने वाला था, ये crime के बारे में सोच रहा था, हमारे पास proof नहीं है, फिर भी हम सही हैं, हम sure हैं, तो बस, you could go to jail. The Indore SP even praised the mob who assaulted Farooqi, calling them active and alert. Sadly, the courts also seem to be bowing to the mob. Despite no evidence against him, Farooqi was denied bail twice by the Madhya Pradesh High Court, with the court saying that such people should not be spared, and absurdly adding that freeing him would cause a law and order problem. Even today, Farooqi is being targeted. In September and October 2021, he was forced to cancel performances in Gujarat and Mumbai after the Bajrang Dal threatened violence at the venues, labeling Farooqi as anti-Hindu, yet again without any evidence. Here is Farooqi's dignified response to the hate that he is facing.
लोगों से ये हक मत छीनो कि वो देखे क्या. ये यूथ है यार, ये सब जवान लोग हैं जो खुश है, जो हंसना चाहते हैं, जो शोज देखने आते हैं, ये जवान लोग हैं. यही है सब कुछ. इनको नाराज मत करो. और और मैं मेरे फॉलोअर्स जो भी है सपोर्टर्स, किसी को गाली मत देना सामने जाके, किसी से आर्ग्यूमेंट में होल्ड मत करना, कभी नहीं किया ये। अभी आज जो कर रहा हूँ मैं, मुझे कभी इतना दिल भारी नहीं हुआ कि मुझे ये करना पड़े। मैं हमेशा गाने लिख देता था, वीडियो डाल देता था, मैं अपना लोगों को एंटरटेन करके अपने आप को डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर देता था कि यार ये जो 4 लोग गाली दे रहे तो कुछ 4000 लोग आके जब लिख के जाएंगे आई लव यू तो अच्छा फील होगा। तो उसलिए काम करे जा रहा था, ये कभी ना करता मैं, और मैं नहीं अप्रिशिएट करता ये। शायद मैं ये चीज़ आखिरी बार कर रहा हूँ, तो बस मत करो यार, मेंटल पीस के लग चुके यार।
On the other hand, Kajal Hindustani is a repeat offender. Take a look at this recent tweet she shared. Tell Muslims to have fewer kids, then they will have space at home to do namaz. Clear hate speech. But due to the double standards that apply now, such blatant hate is simply ignored by the police and our government. Be it Kajal Ben or Yati Narsinganand or Yatindranand Giri, both heads of the Juna Akhada, or Telangana MLA Raja Singh, Pragya Thakur, Delhi's Ragini Tiwari and Kapil Mishra, Karnataka's Tejasvi Surya, Anant Kumar Hegde, Pramod Muthalik, BJP leader from Jammu, Vikram Randhawa. The list is a lot longer. Instead, only the imaginary hate speech of Munawar Farooqi is punished. And so I ask again, ये जो इंडिया है ना, does it belong only to Kajal Hindustani and her hate brigade, or does Munawar Farooqi also have a voice here?